y'all know about the 1000% Bearbricks. I got one today. It was 70% off at Juice, which is like the brand that, you know about the brand Clot, right? C-L-O-T. They got collaborations with Jordan and stuff. Well, Juice is the store that sells Clot. Owned by the guy that owns it, Edison Chen. So this is the Clot Panda Bearbrick that I'm unboxing for y'all today. Clot Panda. So 70% off. I know you know about the Clot fruit collection, the fruit Bearbrick collection. This is the Panda. And it's got like a different material. It's not like that regular plastic material for Bearbricks. It's got like a felt material. Don't know why it's so much cheaper. I guess they made too many of them or something. But it's nice though. Let me just get this out the box for y'all. Okay. So this is the box. Got the Clot logo, bamboo leaves, some Asian print. Not Asian letters, but Asian style. But anyway, let's get it into it. Show you the good stuff. Alright. Authentication paper. Certificate. Alright. Here we go. Oh, shit. Damn. I almost broke the shit. Or did I break the shit? Okay. Should have waited for my wife to get home so I could unbox it with her. Damn. Hope I didn't break it. Alright. This is the material. It's like a felt material. It's got the Clot logo as one of the eyes. Did I break it, bro? No, it looks fine. I'll put it next to my Michael Jackson Bearbrick. Yo, this is nice, bro. I used to have so many Bearbricks, but like someone scammed me out of them. So here we go. The Clot Bearbrick next to my Michael Jackson. I used to have so many more, but yeah, I sold some and then I got scammed out of most of them. This is nice and it's super worth it. You know how much it costs? In Hong Kong dollars is 1,290 for the Panda. So that's like, yeah, basically 70% off. Worth it.